Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by uploading the video directly in YouTube Studio. You should pick language and privacy immediately so captions align. Once done, let YouTube process the file. Automatic captions will appear for supported languages. Make sure to enable captions in the video details and choose whether to publish them automatically or keep them as drafts. You're starting the caption workflow now so timing and language are consistent. This reduces later edits and keeps the transcript accurate from the outset. Open the Subtitles panel and select the auto-generated track to begin detailed editing. You will correct misheard words, fix punctuation, and split long segments so each caption matches natural speech rhythm. This improves readability. Make sure to adjust start and end times by dragging or entering timestamps so captions don't overlap visuals. Once you've cleaned the transcript, add speaker labels when needed to clarify who's talking. This helps viewers and improves accessibility for search and comprehension. Play the video with captions on and review the entire timeline before publishing. Fix any remaining timing or spelling issues. Once satisfied, publish the captions or export the SRT/TTML file and upload as the final caption track to lock changes. Make sure to keep a backup file for reuse on other platforms. If you encounter misalignment, check the video frame rate and the caption timestamps. Resyncing timestamps usually resolves drift and keeps captions matched to speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.